I think you might be silly.
Make him sit. Make him sit.
Cass, just do it quick before somebody comes and laughs at you. Okay, that's good. He wants it though. He's trying to get it off the ground.
Sit.
It's all over his head. Buddy, look. Buddy. Put your hand up.
You now made him scared of you. Don't water.
Hey, he is carrying his water.
Mike! Mike, stop. What do you think of the beach? Hi, can you talk? Cassie, wait. I'm getting everybody's face on this before I turn it off. Hurry up, the battery's gonna die.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Buddy! Get Buddy on there.